So many people lately have been asking me how I know whether something's a good or bad buy, or what do I use? And the answer is Keepa. Keepa tells you everything you need to know on a certain product. It tells you the price history, it tells you how many sellers have been on it, it tells you how, the buy box has been rotating, who's been winning the buy box at what percentage, it tells you what price point it's been at, and it tells you the whole history of the whole product as long as it's been on Amazon. So recently I decided to trust Keepa and purchase a product that is a winter product. So it was a snowblower accessory or attachment. And so I decided to spend a lot of money on this product and buy a lot of them because Keepa told me this product sells consistently every month, about 6 to 7 times a month. And it has typically 2 to 3 sellers on it at one point in time, or all the time, 2 or 3 sellers, and one of them wasn't the brand. And so because it sells so slowly and such few sellers, that to me is amazing, and that's perfect. That's what I look for. So I purchased a lot of them for a lot of money, and then I lost a lot of sleep because this is a winter product. This is something that only uses, obviously it sells more in the winter time versus the summertime, but Keepa tells me it sells all year round. I had my personal feelings in this. I was like, who would buy a snowblower accessory in the middle of May or June even? And so I lost a lot of sleep. So I have had, sent them in to FBA and just waited for them to become active. They have been active for about 2 weeks now, and 6 of them have sold. Amazing. Like, each item I'm doing a profit of $45. So $45, and if they all sell within this month, that's a $450 profit. Amazing. That's why I trusted Keepa. I did have my personal feelings in, which is why I lost a lot of sleep and a lot of worry. Just so happy I trusted Keepa. And that's really what it comes down to, is having your personal feelings towards a product and having a business feeling towards a product. I went through a business strategy. I went through all my numbers. I went through everything. It was a good deal and I trusted it, and it worked out for me for, it wasn't luck because I had all the numbers. I had all the information. I didn't really necessarily take a gamble, but I did because it's a winter product. But because I had all the good data of Keepa supporting this purchase, I'm just so happy that I did. I obviously will be going back and buying a lot more, just seeing if it continues to sell really well. However, I am a little nervous that Amazon is gonna pop on this listing because they came in for a little bit and then went out. So I'm gonna have to track that. But with Keepa, I knew that had happened. I knew that they came in and came back out, and then mine sold. So trust Keepa, know Keepa, learn Keepa. That's the number one way you're gonna earn money and know you're making good buys, is because Keepa will tell you. It'll tell you if it's not selling, or it'll tell you when it sells at a certain price point. So drop a comment if you have a Keepa question. I'm here to answer anything that I can. And
hey guys, if you're looking for a masterclass to help you through Walmart where it comes to setting up your items or getting in part of a community, please check out my Walmart flipping masterclass. Now in this masterclass, I go through everything when it comes to Walmart, which means adding your items into your inventory, setting up your WFS shipments, or doing seller fulfilled and setting up those shipping templates. Within this masterclass, I also have a Discord. Now within this Discord is multiple other sellers where we all talk about Walmart, all of our frustrations, or asking questions, even when it comes to sourcing, what is good for Walmart or what's not. And within this Discord, I also go live weekly. So you're able to ask questions and really get your Walmart journey going. So if you're interested in joining our masterclass, please check out the link below, and I'd love to see you in there, and let's connect.
like, subscribe, and let's connect.